If you eat moringa powder every day for 7 days, what will happen to your body? After 24 hours, more energy as your body is pumped with 92 minerals out of the 102 it needs. 4 days in, you will notice your skin start to clear up as it kills all the bacteria that allows acne to survive in our skin. 7 days, your anxiety levels will decrease because your street hormone cortisol has gone down. Happens when you drink coconut water every day. Never wants you to know. Eliminate fat. Coconut water has empty draining properties that help eliminate fat stored in the thighs or stomach. It more easily. Coconut water contains only 13 calories per 100 grams and is high in fiber, which promotes satiety and reduces the urge to snack. Anti-aging effect. Coconut water is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are molecules that cause skin to age. In coconut water, you can benefit from its anti-aging effects and maintain youthful and healthy skin. Prevention of urinary tract infections. Coconut water has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help urinary tract infections. It can help clean the urethra, prevent bacterial growth, and keep the urinary system healthy. If you drink coconut water for 7 days, what will happen to your body? Save this video for later. 1. You'll immediately notice a refreshing taste and a natural energy boost from its rich electrolyte content, potassium and magnesium. By day 2, its draining properties begin to help eliminate fatty deposits stored in your thighs and stomach, aiding in the fight against cellulite. As you continue, the low-calorie and high-fiber content of coconut water will promote a feeling of fullness, reducing your urge to snack and making weight loss. By midweek, the antioxidants in coconut water will be actively fighting free radicals, giving you powerful anti-aging benefits. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will help prevent urinary tract infections, keeping you healthy. Your digestive system will also improve, with the fibers and digestive substances facilitating better food digestion and by the end of the week, you'll feel more energized and revitalized, ready to take on the day with renewed vigor. Comment coconut and subscribe for more health tips.